Right, it's a couple of days later now. As you can see, the plaster's dried out. I've got the skirting board back on. And I'm just give the ceiling a whitewash. Well, paint of white. Then I've watered some down. And I'm just giving these fresh plaster a watered down coat of white. And then we've been and got the colour, so the colour can start going on. What my plan is to paint this work and reach, so them 3 walls, and then the red wall and round these cupboard doors I'll do separate, if that makes sense, because I can move things over, start moving things over, and I'll paint that. And then once it's painted, all our furniture can come in here, our bed and our wardrobe, our drawers and everything, and then we can start doing the last room. Whew. I don't think I'll video the last room though. That's just painting, moving son number 3 in. But yeah, I hate painting. I absolutely hate painting. So there won't be much painting content. You don't need to worry. Just thought I'd like to show you. I thought you might want to see before and after the paint. Right, crack on. Right, I managed to get all the white on. Well, when I say the white, not the white, all the watered down white. So now I'm going to get everything a whitewash before I put my colour on, which is sort of just off white, but I don't want to put it on the grey straight away. I wanted to get some white on it first, and then the colour, which is called something like Polished Pebble or Thunderstorm or something like that. It's just off white. You'll see. And I don't know, once I've painted, you see, I'll be able to tell if these want a bit of aims or a bit of fast set, you know, fine filler over them, just a touch. They might do, they probably will, and I think that will as well, that blending in that we did. I just want a bit over the top of it, Luke. Rough as fuck, that, Liam. Look at that. You're rough at that, Liam, aren't quiet. Skin face. Same with the red. The red wants a load of white over the top of it, actually. And then the rad's coming off, but the rad is living on that new nib there now that I've built. And then them drawers are going in that hole. I move the window so I can get my bed here. My bed is that wide, so the bed's coming out to there. The wife's having 3 sets of drawers along there, and then we've got all them wardrobes built in. Ooh, can't wait. A bit more progress for you. It's hard. What's it had now? The ceiling's had 1. I think that's fine. The burr plaster has had a watered down coat and a white coat, but now it's ready for the colour. That red wall has had a white blast, but found some patching. Found a bit of patching here. And then them are quite big there, aren't they? Jesus. Jesus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to patch them. My stuff of choice. I've never used this before. The guy at Travis was harping on about, oh, all the lads buy this, it's instead of fast set. Now, if you ever used fast set's quite good in the fact that you can fill anything big or small with it. So he says this is like fast set, so I'm going to give Wondertex a go. Foreman's here. What do you think, Woody? I think we should give Wondertex a go. Just inspecting stuff. I've gone for my trowel. It's my best trowel, this, my finishing trowel. So it's sharper and it'll get the stuff in better. But what I have done is got a brand new bucket. Because that's a pretty clean bucket, but if you're mixing that, these bits at the side here will go off. And when you go over your stuff, because it's so fine, it'll drag. Got skimming all over me, flipping cunt. Over my wardrobe. Oh, wife will go mad. I'm a dead man. Not really, I'm only joking. Right, so I'm going to mix a bit of this Wondertex and see how it goes on. It says plasterboard joint filler. 60 to 90 minutes working time. Super fine, smooth finish, fast setting. Early sand, minimise shrinkage for cracking. So it should fill them pretty good. Let's see anyway. I've done a Liam and mixed too much. I was mixing it with a scraper. Now I've gone for the whisk. Right, that's that mixed up. It's mixed up quite smooth and quite good. I'm impressed with that. I'll have to see what it does like here. I'll be honest with you, up to now, I'm pretty impressed with it. And I've only mixed it. You see how it's sort of following the any high or low spots. Just getting rid of them blemishes. What we should have done was skim the whole wall, right? But I knew I could sort it, and it's my bedroom. It doesn't really matter. It's not a customer's room, is it? See if we can get rid of this. So I'm hoping I can give that a quick sand down tomorrow. And I'll be able to paint straight over it. I'll probably be able to sand it down later, but all I'm doing now is Sunday. Been at it all day. So I'm just going to do all these bits of patching. Right, over to them now. Clark Works is here.
That's the one you cut yourself all the time.
I mean, what I cut Liam with. Right, and them down there.
Right. Let's get a proper look at them, Dams. Right, you best talk about the holes at the bottom.
Well, yeah, I don't know what to do with them. I was hoping... Oh, look at him.
What happened?
Oh, man.
Oh, what did your dad do? Let's have a look at your baby.
Get it off your nose. She's... Oh, man.
You're a plaster dog.
You're sticking your nose in stuff for. Come on. Are you going to stick your ear in? Oh, get...
What are you doing, dog?
His nose will be all dry.
Right, come on. Come on, out the well. Go on. Did you not put a board in there?
What?
Should you not have put a bit of a board in there?
Shh. Yeah, I should have. But I've not, I've just...
It's a good job I know it's going behind drawers.
Oh yes, we've got the right shot now. I'll tell you what, it goes everywhere, this stuff. It's like all over me. Right. I didn't put a board in. Because I wanted to see how good this stuff was at filling big holes.
Really?
Because Ames, which is ready mix Ames, is shit. Joint cement. You've no chance, you'll be there for weeks.
It does have a more polyfiller consistency about it.
So I'm just wondering, it's an experiment one.
Right, okay. I believe you.
Well, I did say that on the camera before you came, while you was making tea. See, these might want...
In fairness, it's not jumping out, is it?
No, these might want 2 lots of filling. And for some reason, why is that smashed? That wood?
Is it for the radiator pipe?
Could be, I don't know.
The pipe comes out one side, doesn't it?
So it's like it filling wood.
Literally behind a set of drawers. Don't matter.
I know that. The viewers don't.
You'd never know.
don't know, in a minute when I use this to skillfully form the sketching board. Who's that? Ooh, what all? You might be asking why I didn't patch first. Well, the answer to that is, I know what's going to show now. If I paint it, I know what's going to show, don't I? See, look at that. Which you wouldn't have seen that.
Just gouge bits of the wall.
So it's a nail pot, what?
Why do they have to?
Because the plaster won't get hold of a nail. When you're banging more in, it's loosening it, so it's just pulling the nail out a bit. So when you push, because the nail's a bit proud, it pops the plaster off. So on there.
Oh God, this is not your plastering, is it?
No. Can happen on screws. Doesn't happen as much now on screws, but back in the day when we used to nail everything, you know, like usually on ceilings as well, you'd go into an house patching.
Yeah,
maybe.
You could see pops, couldn't you?
Once the client had moved in, you'd have to
start moving.
When they're bouncing around upstairs, swinging off chandeliers and stuff. And you can just have a quick look what with what's going to show. You think that might show, that might show. I think I'm going to leave them, maybe. He says.
He says it starts troweling over him. What do you want for tea?
I don't know. Oh, I don't want to have my tea. Oh, what shall I have for my tea? I don't want to have. John.
I'm not asking you that question.
I don't want to have. Can't keep having a treat all while. I love a kebab.
Come on, look guilty. Let's have a look at you.
What are you even doing in here, Woody?
Plaster dog.
What are we having for tea, Woody? Oh no, he's not got it on him. What are you doing? It's all over you, you stupid scruff bag.
Oh, sneezes.
Don't sneeze at me. Not bad stuff, actually. Because, like the other stuff, aims or fast set, if you try and put some stuff over it, once it's been on a bit, it rips and tears.
Yeah, I've seen that happen.
This stuff
Sort of peels back off.
This stuff doesn't seem to.
That one there, that's underneath. You see it?
Well,
Yeah.
so what do I think of Wondertex? Premium filler. I think it's alright.
Want a shot of the bag?
I have done a shot of it. But considering fast set would fill it like that, and but it's half the price of fast set.
How is that?
Yeah, it's half the price of fast set. That's why he said to me. He said to me, "Do you ever buy fast set?" It's just a manager in Travis, and I said, "Not really, boss. But sometimes it's handy to have in the van for patching." And he said, "A lot of lads using that for patching." Well, that's the bedroom all finished off. Got me rad on, got me paint on, got the lights to do yet, got the curtain pulls up. And that's the effect we wanted. Superb. Nice bed. Cabinets done. I may paint these, still got to paint them yet. Lovely. If you've liked the video, like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Get in the comments. I'll see you on the next episode.